There's something people big up on the cell, man. You don't know what's on the link there now, people. You see it? They are easy back and boy, I'm see a thing now. I see an article publicized now by Horace Chang. Don't know see them on the response to crime and violence in Jamaica. You understand the minister? And boy, when me hear the man say now, say over 200 illegal gun enter Jamaica, right? Every month. And say for the year, over 2,400 illegal gun enter in the country for the year, people. Zane, and him said this is a cause with the gun for drugs trade we are going in Jamaica there. And remember, like yesterday, them find a big amount of cocaine something there up in a St. Thomas. There's people worth over $1 billion, you know. You see? So what they must say now is the drugs thing. When the drugs are traded and I saw the guns, them are coming illegal guns. And boy, if I saw it happen, people, over 200 guns illegal every month. Just imagine, you know, how much gun is coming into our country, and that are just a margin to what them are say. Them what them having at them head. But them is not what them sure fully about what them can quote, because look at one container where them find the other day with over 200. So just imagine how much different places, how much different angles things are entering in Jamaica from illegally. So you know how much yo people. Boy. So when I look at these people, it's going to be one of the hardest things to control the gun thing in Jamaica. It's not easy. You understand? Because we see where the police them recover several and much hundreds of guns. Saying? But they come like the more them recover them, and the more them are coming. And in the end, when some of them want them now, the youth them now, them feel like say yo, them want to go link with some top man. Saying? And there going to be some, them get a look at one machine at them hand now, and them feel like a top man pan a corner. But in the end, people, the real big man in the thing, him now going in the street, you know. And they look at you, them in the street now, and dash them life and waste them life. Zine, which boy in the day, I tell you, you know worth it. It's just not worth it. You know what I mean? For $5,000, for $10,000, your life value way more than that, yo. You see me? Mad nice street, you know, we know the thing going on. Yo, me just a hope and pray for the youth, them boy. A change can come. Just a hope for your angel just drop and lick them in them head. And just change them up. Because, yo, you think it turn up, man. It turn up. So nowadays, people, the gun thing, and I like one time when a gun did hard to get. It's so easy for you to get a gun now. Zine? It's so easy. And now the end, not every one of them youth who you see have them guns and thing in the people are grown and not kill people with it, you know. Not every one of them. Zine? But there be times when people draw out them youth and intimidate yo, me I tell you. And sometimes people push them youth and if you draw them things and end up, you know what I mean? Take out people enough even get take out or lick out people enough even get lick out. So some boy me I tell you there's a whole heap to that thing in my viewers and my subscribers. And it's a big thing in Jamaica right now. And everybody a pray and I hope say yo, a change will come, better will come. But boy, it seems like yo, we don't know. I don't know, you don't know, and it's just hard to know. Remember me telling my people, you don't know the thing go. This is New Link from New Link Production. Now we say attack. Just keep on praying for better for Jamaica. Don't know the thing of people. Enough love, enough respect, peace. I'm out. Big up.